In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select from overlapping objects in AutoCAD. If you've ever tried to click a line, polyline, block, or hatch, and felt like AutoCAD kept grabbing the wrong thing, it's usually because multiple objects are stacked in the same spot. Instead of zooming in and out or turning layers on and off, there's a built-in feature that makes this painless: selection cycling. Here's how to enable it. In the command line, type selection cycling, then press enter. AutoCAD will ask for a value. Type 2 and press enter again. With that single change, you've turned on a helpful picking aid that appears whenever your cursor is over geometry that overlaps. Now, try clicking directly on an area where more than one object occupies the same space. You'll see a small window pop up listing the overlapping objects under your cursor. The list typically shows each object by type and may include layer information and color to help you identify exactly what you want. Simply click the item you intend to select, and AutoCAD will lock onto that one, ignoring the others in the pile. This works beautifully for stacked lines, coincident endpoints, nested blocks, and complex detail areas where multiple elements sit on top of each other. A few tips to make this smoother. Make sure you actually click in a spot where two or more objects truly overlap. Otherwise, the list won't appear because there's only one valid target. If you're working in dense drawings, pause a moment when the list opens so you can read the object details rather than guessing. And remember, this feature doesn't modify your drawing. It only changes how you pick things, so it's perfectly safe to turn on and leave on while you work. If you ever want to turn this off and go back to the default behavior, type selection. Cycling again, press enter, and set the value to 0. With that, the pop-up list won't appear, and a single click will just select whatever AutoCAD prioritizes at that point. You can switch between 2 and 0 at any time, which makes it easy to use this feature when you need it and disable it when you don't. That's all there is to it. By enabling selection cycling with a value of 2, you get a clear, controllable way to pick precisely the object you intend, even in the busiest portions of your drawing. It's a small change that saves a lot of time and frustration when selecting from overlapping objects in AutoCAD,